Okay, this is example number 19, stage 1, lecture 4.01, P block elements group 1516. The question is which one of the following has OO bond? Okay, lecture number 1. Option A is H2S2O6, option B is H2S2O7, then option C is H2S2O5, then option D will be H2S2O8. Now, we'll have to figure out this, how we're going to do this. So the first one, so this is problem number 19. So the first acid is H2S2O6. H2S2O6. H2S2O6 is actually an acid from thionic acid series. So it is also known as dithionic acid. So I got to write the structure of this dithionic acid, so I'll make very simple. So point number 1, connect S single bond S and put double bond O on all the 4 sides. Then last, connect it with OH group. So this acid is called dithionic acid. We did it in systematic way. We have done it in a systematic way, but unfortunately this acid does not contain OO bond. So this is not the answer. We come to option number B. Option number B is H2S2O7. H2S2O7. Okay, this is known as, this is something called pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid. This is also known as oleum, the famous contact process in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. This is also known as oleum. Now, what could be the structure of this acid? Okay, once again, draw sulfur on the either sides. So this acid contains a bridged bond. As usual, like dithionic acid, write double bond O's on the top and bottom of either sides of sulfur atom and actually connect it with OH group. So you are getting H2S2O7, which is oleum or pyrosulfuric acid. But once again, unfortunately, this acid also does not contain the OO bond. Okay, fine. Coming to the next oxyacid, oxyacid number C. This is H2S2O5. H2S2O5. So H2S2O5 is called disulfurous acid, di or pyrosulfurous acid. What could be the structure of this? This is little bit different. S single bond S. So you will have one double bond O, two double bond O, like the other two acids. You will not have all the places where double bond O required is double bond O. Here you have one lone pair of electrons, and of course this will have a OH group this side, and this will have a OH group this side. Clear? Okay. Now this acid has an SS linkage, but OO linkage, is not there. Peroxy bond is not there. Therefore, this is also not the option. Our last option is unexpected manner. It is option D, which is H2S2O8. This is going to be the answer. So how do we write the structure H2S2O8? Before this, H2S2O8 is also called peroxydisulfuric acid. This is also called Marshall's acid. Okay, now the structure of this acid will be like this. So HO, S double bond O will come, and in between you have a peroxy group which contains two pairs of lone pairs of electrons. Here also you will have two double bonds O, and finally you have OH. Therefore, this is the acid which has this kind of peroxy linkage. Therefore, this is the option.